Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get FundedNext coupon codes. So to do this is pretty simple. So open up any browser in your iPhone, in your Androids, or in your desktops. So I would use my Google right here. So here we have their FundedNext codes. So just go to simplycodes.com to get the FundedNext coupon codes. So right here you can copy your codes. So you have your GT75. So this will depend on the time you're watching this. So just head on to simplycodes.com and search for FundedNext. So this will depend on the month you're searching it. So this will change from months to weeks. So you will have different codes. So right here, you can just copy the code right here. As you can see, it will be copied into your own clipboard. So just copy right here, and then you can shop at FundedNext already. And then you'll be able to use this. So there's going to be some prerequisites for this, of course. So like this, you have your $5 off, or 5% off, I mean. This is only for members. And here we have off select items at FundedNext with code. Here $4 off evaluation for members only. So there you go guys, that is how you get your FundedNext coupon codes. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.